Hi, lovely people. Welcome or welcome back again to my channel. It's another beautiful day, and hope you guys are doing wonderfully well. In today's video, I share with you how I make this Abobi Tadi or dry anchovy stew. This was so nice. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. So I have my dry anchovies, and I will start by first removing the head and that of the intestine. So I'll be doing this one after the other until I finish removing all the head. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, hello, my name is Gertrude, and we make anything related to food recipes here. So if you like what you are seeing and you are interested, kindly click on the subscribe button while and also hit the bell icon to get notified anytime I post a new video. So I just want to also use this opportunity to thank my returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I do appreciate it a lot. And to my new families too, you guys are welcome. Please stay tuned. Okay, so after removing all the heads, I will go ahead and then roast the anchovies on the fire. So I will be stirring it continuously. After some time, the roasted anchovies are ready, and I'll just take it off from the fire and then wash it very well. So this is after washing, and I wash it multiple times because it contains a lot of sand because of how it is being preserved. So if you don't wash it well, you cannot consume it. And I have my tomatoes, pepper, some garlic, ginger, and some onion. I will blend this off camera. So to start with our stew, in my pan I'll go in with my palm oil, then let it heat and also add some onion and fry this for some few minutes before go in with my blended tomatoes. So now I'll go in with my blended tomatoes and then give those a stir. Okay, fam, this stew is a popular dish in the Volta region, and Abobi means anchovies in English, and the Tadi refers to stew or pepper. So literally, Abobi Tadi means anchovy stew. You can pair this with your waffle, demi, or with bangu. It tastes so nice, guys. After 5 minutes, checking on the stew, I will just give it a quick stir, and guys, the aroma alone is amazing. It smells so nice. So I'll just stir it and then cover it again. And thank you so much. If you're still watching up to this time, please don't forget to like this video and also share this video among your friends to also reach wider audience. Okay, so from at this point I went in with my fish seasoning, some shrimp powder, also seasoning cube and salt to taste. I will stir this until everything is well combined. You can follow me on Facebook and also watch me on TikTok, Instagram. The name is Getty Cooks and it is totally free. So I went ahead to taste for salt and it was okay. So now I'll go in with my washed anchovies and then stir everything together. Okay guys, so now I'll add some onions, habanero pepper, some bell pepper, and also go in with my already cooked okra. I will just stir everything together. Our stew is almost done, so I will just stir this gently and then cover it again. Alright fam, so the Abobi stew is ready, looking so yummy. What will you pair with this stew? Let me know in the comment section below. Just look at the lovely outcome. So alright guys, so I'm going to pair the Abobi stew with bangu, and I have a detailed recipe on how to make the bangu. I'll leave the link in the description box below for you guys to check it out. Okay guys, so our bangu is almost ready, and after some time you can see it's very soft, and I will just go out. So at this point it is ready, and I'll just go ahead and wrap them nicely. Now I'll serve my stew with my banku. Guys, if you enjoy watching this video, give it a thumbs up. Just look at how this is looking so delicious and yummy. I hope you give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you guys in my next video, and peace be with you all.